In this video, I'm going to show you how to split a PDF in PDFfiller. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your home page, and from here, you want to go to Add New, top left, and you want to upload a document, okay? So when you've done that, as you can see, I have a few over here. You actually can split it by clicking, of course, on the document like that to select it, go to the right and click on those three dots, and then from here, under Tools, if you hover over this, it's going to say Split. So just click on the Split button. And over here, whenever you do that, it's going to actually open up the splitter, and this is where you can basically select the document you're trying to split. So as you can see here, there we go. You can split by either page range or all pages. So of course, you can split all pages or page range by clicking on these buttons. And then over here, you can just select your document name and then your page range over here. You could create another document as well. So for example, the page range here is going to be 2, and then another one, this is going to be 3, another one's going to be 4, and then 5. Now what this will do here, as you can see, I have 5 separate documents which are named that way. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the page range is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, I could do it differently. I could, for example, split it to where this one is 1, 2, 3 over here, and then this one is just page 2, this one page 3, 4, or I could do this one, for example, to be page 2, 4, and 5 like this using commas, and then that's also going to work, as you can see over here. So there's a bunch of different things you can do. You could use ranges. So if I hover over here, as you can see, it's going to explain that. So we could use commas to actually separate them, or you could use hyphens, or of course these kind of lines over here, to actually set a range of pages. Okay, now you can create as many of these as you want, and then when you're ready, you can just click on the split button at the bottom, and it's actually going to split your documents, and it's going to save them onto your computer. As you can see over here, you can just basically download them and you're good to go. So if I download these into my downloads folder over here really quickly, there we go. As you can see, it's been downloaded, and if I go to the downloads folder, you'll see that it's actually zipped. Okay, so if it's zipped for you as well, don't worry, there's nothing wrong with it. So let me actually pop this up. There we go. As you can see, zip document. I can go ahead and unzip this very easily. So you simply wanna click on it and then right click, and then you wanna do extract all. Click on extract. It's gonna open up the two documents, and there we go. As you can see, there you have your split documents. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.